the template. Right, hello, another video. Still down at Clarkes, and now we're going to be dynoing Ollie's car. Oh, yeah.
Not that Ollie.
The other Ollie. Oleg.
Oleg.
Austin Allegro. Straight away getting the boost controller out. Ollie's just making a meal again on the dyno. Steady. Steady. You want to be quite tight on this, no? Or are you trying to get it over to the left? Well, bang in the middle. Now you bring it.
Yeah. Amazon's fine. Yeah, you need to keep that wheel tight to the edge of this ground. Oh, is this the log manifold that Zach made?
Yeah, so
I've always wanted to see this.
Two-speed log manifold.
Proper wastegate or
proper Chinese one.
Proper Chinese one.
With China.
600 miles and it ain't broke. Yeah, Zach's old, the original Mark IV Escort plenum. A little bit
Did he
modified.
kick the throttle body round a bit?
Yeah, you had to cut the end off.
To make it fit. That's spot on though, isn't it?
But yeah, at the moment it's only got a, was that twin pass intercooler.
Have you got a decomp plate on it?
No decomp plate, no.
Woo! What boost are we running?
12 PSI.
Damn, son.
So fast.
Get the deck cans ready on this one,
Yeah.
isn't it?
Managed to put an S2 diff in it as well, so.
Oh, sweet.
It's got a slipper.
It's just so clean.
It
and
is.
simple.
It looks
It's
well
very
in the
clean.
hole, doesn't it?
Yeah.
I like that turbo. That manifold's bang on. I think you should make a lot more of them because I like budget stuff and I'll buy a load of them.
It'd be nice to see what power it makes on the log, really.
What is it? TDO?
TDO4.
TDO4. Oh, sweet. Yeah.
I mean, I think it's for like 250.
Starlets back in the day as well. My mate Starlet had a TDO4. Then we went to a TDO5 and it was like laggy as hell, so we went straight back to the TDO4. They look like 280 brake, didn't they?
Yeah.
TDO4, something like that.
Yeah, I think that one's off of phase 1 and I got another one at work off of phase 2.
Or is that slightly bigger than phase 2?
Well, I
don't really know.
Well, the phase 2s are rated 300 horsepower, so but it's the same compressor hours and everything.
Dave Andrews is the one to talk to about Volvo turbos.
Yeah.
He tells you all the build, he tells you like the trims and the wheel sizes.
Reel the bouncing drum into place.
Like,
Where'd you get this from?
come with a dyno. Yeah, I don't know what it is. It's pretty bad. Yeah.
The fan bolt as well. So yeah, it's getting very toasty in it, and you say the air temps are just cooking it.
We'll try and whip one side.
Yeah, Ollie, you need to get the hole saw out in that bumper, man. Yeah, I know. There's like no airflow to that. Just going to do a quick bumper delete, let everything cool down, let the dyno itself cool down a bit, then we'll have another go.
Definitely. You might have to pick a wheelie in front of the fan,
Yeah,
put under
point it up a bit.
Point it up, because this one's hitting the bonnet and that one's a bit low. I think we get a
Wedge, there'll be that block up on top of the
like a wrecking ball.
I'll was standing in the corner like this, just trying to inhale some fresh air.
Yeah, this is stinking.
That's it.
So yeah, whip the bumper off, and then we're going to knock the fan up, let everything go down. What temps are they? Worse than mine?
Yeah. You leave it for a bit, turn it off, give it like a minute, and it does get better. But it ain't enough. It just gets hot in here as well, like, you know.
You got a bumper delete.
Drive it home like that. I'm good.
I'll cut holes in my fucking mid bumper.
Yeah, you can. I'll do it for you.
Genuine. I've got my drill down there.
Let's go and put some holes in it. Or bulky.
Yeah, we should. Just follow this light up, and then just cut it out.
Or slots. Maybe do like little like sausage holes. So they're not.
Yeah. To get a hot dog.
Yeah. Use a hot dog as a template. Go around it.
Fine. Thanks for sausage.
Proper schnitzel.
Take the bumper off. Got some more airflow to the inner corner, so hopefully it won't have such high air temp. So, what have we done and what are we doing? We'll just let it all cool down. We've
Let everything cool down, circulate some air in here, and give it a glory run.
Yeah.
Horsepower. Did it show you the torque of that last one?
Yeah, we'll pull it out.
So that's as far as we want to push it with the air temps, and I think we've decided that this intercooler is a bit of a restriction with it being twin pass, a little bit too small, end caps are quite small. So again, trying to get the air temps down proved to be a bit difficult. 214 foot-pound of torque though. Not bad for a standard bottom end, high compression.
Gear oil.
Yeah.
What's that from?
The engine.
Is that crank sealing?
So that was 180 horsepower on the nose with 214 foot-pound of torque. Yeah, just the air temps again causing us issues, but it's a good starting point to know where we're at.
It's nice to know.
As I said, it's a stock ST170 block, no decomp plate, black top head on it.
Yep.
And then it's got Zach's old inlet, a log manifold that Zoo Speed Zach made, and then a turbo off of a Volvo T5. Isn't it?
That's the one.
Yeah, little punchy turbo. So yeah, we sort out maybe chopping about the intercooler, getting it to flow a bit better, and then we can have another bash at it, see if we can crank her up a bit more. And obviously, with the weather being so hot and the dyno cell cooking itself, that's really not helping. But well, that's that for this video. On the next video, you're going to see Zach's Escort up on the dyno. So don't forget to check that one out. Until next time, I'll catch up with you guys later. Take it easy.